Eba. Pam 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 banana. Oh yeah, Mmarima kwanye do entruwe nim nkrume nim nanso eye dedodo eba kutogumu hwegum enchini atwam ade fancy ogum ebe ye ade oh Mmarima kwanye de eyede Mmarima kwanye de nenchinam wom inchogwo wom ko bisu kakra ade Mmarima kwanye do Mmarima kwanye de momoni atwam toto bi wom nanso eyede papa kutogumu hwegum chuchagumu hwegum kama menhwa senchini nim ade ade kutogumu hwegum chuchagumu hwegum kawanu hwa senchini nim fa bika ho enchine twam ade Tan. Eba. Forward. Hey. Enyum way. Indomie phone ni enyum way yo. Share. Hey. Kofi asamwa. Ade. Oh yeah de. Ade. Hey. Mmarima ni kwanye de Mmarima ni kwanye de nkati kwanye ade si so ade Mmarima ni kwanye do che pam si oh cutting quite come and test my cutting quite my darling my girlfriend come and test my cutting quite my darling girlfriend come and test my cutting quite I love you you too you love me so come and test my cutting quite me do ade come and test my cutting quite mi fa so lati do re mi ade lati do Sankwani she enchini nim Sankwana she mekonim Sankwana she tomatoes e chum ade naswa ye de dodo ade oh Oh. 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 Emrewom. Bibiawom. Ade. City bro. Ow. Ade. Ghanafuo. Say and cutting quine qua. On one never in quine. Aha. Oh. Come and test my cutting quine. You love me. I love you. You love me, so come and test my cutting quine. Eh. Oh. I been quite. Ade. Hey, you quiet that you can fool. I'm a first can fool. Hey, so very man quiet. So very man quiet. Ready? Foul one. Come on. So. Okay. Another Friday. We thank the Lord. We are all alive. We are kicking. Oh, so wonderful. It's a good Friday. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are live on Facebook. And another Friday, dear. I just say, baby, we are so trying. Now, you know, my boy, you know, I could feel some more. So, very man quiet. And ne, Fraunia bear maybe. Wadam for bear maybe. Wukunu. And now, bear maybe, no, on betia semi. Now, I could feel someone saying, or very man quiet. Yes. Or very much so, you need say, Adriania. And yet, although there are some ingredients beer or messy, but it is very nice and tasty. Right, so let me talk to men today. The me person me chane say, me wahona before I go on, no, and Anna Sante, I say hi, pretty woman, hi you too. I say a berry man quine is like porridge. Oh dear, are you sure? Mommy abuna from Poma. Aha, Michia will be a Thomas Osas. Oh yes. Wow, show me be a Michia. Maybe Bia will be a Michia. All right. What I'm saying is, Mohona or Berry maybe texted me. I say, Okonori, I need a woman to cook for me. Me pe Obama na ye duanya mami. Now maybe someone say, what do you mean by you want a woman to cook for you? Now uni yere. Also me yere, oh yes, some style being to me de jay into the say no. Menkwana mitio. Menkwana metinti me pe Obama na ye duanya mami. And I'm saying that Obama na ye duanya mama say obetua ne ka ana, what do you mean? Also they say me amini mediane nua menkwana metie. Until I need Oba to make me stew and quine any sanya mania man sanya beya me fedwumba metumi edidi. And I'm say what more yere and now know you're jai and then now you're looking for another woman to cook for you. You see what I say all the time, no? Oh remember, sometimes no it's not about say we all say a woman's place is the kitchen. A woman's place it's not like it's in the kitchen. Kitchen is your home. ingredients wo ho, bibia wo ho. Okay? It's not her place. At the end of the day, so ye aduane no ekọ wo yam. Despite say a man na ye aduane no. I think say my opinion is say you can also help Mary Ore do yeah hi it's a saying sister I mean say baby bia ho ye. Okay, so we always say a woman's place is in the kitchen. So if a woman's place is in the kitchen na just say Mmarima no say wo say kitchen ya wo place na just say dey bia come bedo because say wo ne wo yerete na say wo ka che me say wo ne wo yere jai or yere na ye nyema bi nto ni na jai say wo kwa na wo te wo single room and you are calling me to give you a woman to cook for you, then what do you mean? What are you trying to tell me? Me say man ye tete ho ne ye aduane. So sometimes I'm just talking to empower men. Mary do all is well. Says yeah. Oh, we thank God. Mami abna from Poma. Ha. I can't stop laughing. These men, you can't understand them. Of course. What I'm saying is, and you say beer. A man and pese be aduane amamu. Won say ade na benefit ye nyina. So I don't think a woman's place is in the kitchen. Because so wo na wo yete ho. Na se oye aduane a. Se bi mema bebre no ho especially Abrokyirefuo mema. Omo mmoa aduane yom. Wo fra omo a omo ye busy. They are doing all sorts of things. What I say, oba no beko kitchen, be aduane bibia ama bema no. That's okay because you are married to the woman has to cook for you. But then, have you thought about the future? What if say nyame pengwe bia oba ne yare, oyire yare, you've got children in the house. Who is going to cook for them? Then you go outside ordering for pizzas and chicken and chips and stuff like that to feed your children. But then, so your bema some of the men, no, I mean, kase munyina. But if you know how to cook petty things now, when your wife is not in the house now, yes, also bet me a kitchen. Now why ye aduane? Sebe now wife is so edibi. Now we must so edibi. But sometimes no, one say a man mani bo hire from someone be bo aduane no. Sometimes they think say, you know, yeah, how much drink and now we are too much. But it's for your own good. That is why today I'm here to empower men as well. Say me sremo. Be confident in yourself. So we hear aduane wo fear. Wo fear maybe a weekend be na won kwa adwuma na wuti fear no ye koye aduane a. My opinion is get into the kitchen. Bisa no. Erajua mame. Ene aduane be na wo ye. Oh me ye nkwan me ye fufuo. Oh inti dey na me nye. Anti we odi jene first odi jene be guma na. Ana second odi nchin be guma na. Petty things no will be share, and I think it's going to help you. So what I say, na say na wo friend make a me say wo ne oyire ejai. Say a onkwa na wote be you need a woman to cook for you no. One says say comedy, you were not learning it. So and to single men out there no, I know you are single, mu ye adwuma you are struggling. But then no, to me I always say if you learn how to cook and then YouTube aba YouTube is everywhere. YouTube there. Oko o phone support type YouTube e woso. Ye chrese na ye nduane, emo, froye, enkwan, enam, name them. Everything is on YouTube because I need technology in tino. Bibia ye easy. So you can go on YouTube and learn how to cook. Oh, and learn how to cook, which will help you. Mary Red was say, if the woman's place is in the kitchen, the women are not supposed to go to work because men are originally Adam and women are Eve sample. Of course, Mary, I like your opinion. It's very good because, and I make during our in the olden days, no, yeah, my mom reso, yeah, papa mom reso, yeah, na cancer reso, no. Mema ne kwa ejuma, na mana eden, aye aduane, mema ne discover bana, emana ye aduane, sa. But in the 21st century, no. One say, I quite say, mema nama, a money be brainy ate. Say, some man ye juma, they are not happy with that. So, on the catcher, or my enemy said they should go and work. Okay? So we are all working together. And when we come home and we are all tired, we should cook together. What you say? Sine be ya, bibia be easy ama ye nyina, oba na be ye easy ama no. Bema wo se be easy ama because let's say for example, Obama wakwa adwuma when no yin na makwa adwuma mo be fie obi abre okay ma bedru fie and then you expect the woman to go to the kitchen alone to cook. Meanwhile no wo be man na woti ha no kra no you are hungry come deal what you say come deal enti you say samo mi enu mo ko kitchen na mo ko ye aduane say si an ten na mo wie but if esan say wo be man no why you say you know I know say men are in control, they are the head of the house. So they will, you know, relax, wait, watch TV, read papers, chat on their phone with other people, and then the woman will be in the kitchen cooking. Meanwhile, no make no okwoti ha no comedy wo. A comedy do. But so ban nkwa kitchen Abia is going to take her an hour to cook. But so kano ho na mu nyina mo kitchen ho na mo koye aduane na. It will take you less than an hour to finish and then you come to your dining room and eat and enjoy the food. Mami Abna friend Poma was saying, tell him to go to YouTube to learn how to cook. Any kind of food he wants, he can get it. Of course, Nipanane me kasaya, me chene say, I don't have any woman who is just sitting there doing nothing. Obeka cho say, Obeka say, Okonor okay, Bema we see, or per se, me baby and man intino. You know, I'm going to do it. Make sure and I directed him to go on YouTube or say on a YouTube dear and I make out now so quantum I feel me beshian ade I feel beshian by the time now would it nephew now utumi ko Facebook Instagram WhatsApp now come share a ma and I love you and is me to him make just say bra Jan say hu no what time now would it Facebook share ma for now you are beautiful when then use that time to go on YouTube and learn how to cook. Mama say women are aging so quickly because of the chores and they don't get time to look after themselves. That is true. Because at the end of the day, no bano or prad them or say them or cook kitchen or ye diane, what they want to ho, also munyama kojuma boba what to ho, who hear TV, who chatting, who yes I am away now. No bano. Say or no yan hot time. What I said, there be no dreamika, or you way, or you will. Open so young hot time, and I'm a mabna kind, and tell a man be Becca say, a man and a young pay when she see. And who say, your baby is in way yet. But then, and no, me person me share me man say, I'm empowering you men that you can cook. You can also cook. Send your bay ya. Number one, Sadachibi, will you in the hot? And I say, oh no, yet to one be were too quaint, no, only hot. Whatever the situation is, no, you can get on your feet and go to the kitchen and cook something for even yourself to eat. Nana Sante, Mami Abna, say it loud. So, it's say a woman's place is in the kitchen, quaint. Now what's ho? Men are very surprising. Oh, they don't care. They can buy junk food outside. Because they are working, they have the money. Better junk food, you know, ababedi all the time. But let me tell you, in Yamana, ye wa bonteno. Me can't say no restaurant in Yamano. But health-wise, let's look at health-wise. Is it every time and I'll be called a restaurant, akoto aduane abedi? Do you know what ingredients they put in the food? Maybe you are allergic to something. Men can't say fast food in you. Once in a while, you can go to the fast food and buy something when you feel like you are tired and bored. But when you are home, that won't quite juma. Now, what if we are one yashino? Go to the market. Tomatoes kakra, nyadua kakra, onion kakra, something. Ebi na ukondo sa obedi froye, any more whatever. Go to the market and buy small stuff. Na fabra, no one kaseduane na wo ye no. You know what you put inside the food. So what I say, health-wise, no. Benefits are a woman se wo bema unhu aduane nua. Yema wo no. Enya hand time na I am the man, I am in control nti no. Wo koye aduane mi di no. Me kire wo nyema ekọ wa wo ni peduane mu no na me kire no. Health-wise no. My opinion is if you learn how to cook, say na wo no wo yiriti fie no. My opinion is oye aduane a konenchen kakra me nkasa every day. Sua bibi kakra free mu na dachi oni ho a wan kasa wotumi anu aduane edi. Into go to the market and get some stuff make a list of the food items. Nyema we here. Share YouTube. Come to the kitchen. So o computer now o phone see ho. Now share YouTube. How to make fry, how to do wache, how to cook rice, how to change koshia, those kind of things, and be in the kitchen and do it. It won't take you the whole day. What I say, I know you use your whole day uber off duty. You use your whole day to do many things. Sometimes it be one say we waste the day, no. But if you use it to learn how to cook and do something for yourself, you will enjoy the food. And number 2, Maka Health, number 2, it saves you money. Because bear it in mind, restaurants in your call all the time, you know. Aduane boarding. Ukoto nkwan e be 10 pounds. Ukoto mo jollof ni ade be 8 pounds, 15 pounds. Tilapia bebre ubehu na what say sika bebre. Be sa sika no. Senka wo dukoto tomatoes enam kakra, we kakra ewo krom market e na obenua ya nka sa aduane no ubetumi edi no for 1 week kra. Me na make sure. You won't waste money. You won't waste money and you save the money. Into what I'm saying is, eat healthy. You don't know what is inside those fast food. And was it this week? I was watching program B. Now me so be akoto emo ayese owo meat kura wo mni sa man. You don't know what they put in the food. I'm not saying restaurants here they could do and no. I am not saying that. But what I'm saying is, once in a while, no, you can go to the restaurant and buy something for yourself. But not say every day you make it a habit of going to the restaurant, buying fast food, buying everything. They be when you are allergic to something, and you don't know what's going to happen to you. And then you save your money as well. That is going to be good for you. What I say, and if you're able to cook for yourself some petty food now, trust me, you will not rely on obasu bebre. What I say, and then I will say, oyireja we are with where we should show ba amana ye aduane ama no. Oba no be high no mana ye aduane ama. Ana which one are you talking about? What I say, nene ma be me mo match you. Enyo mu nyina so na che say obu o hokra na wo no oyireja ye no kra no. Nani agi opewo. What I say, ebia na wo mpe no obe opewo. But because wo pese obi ye aduane ma na wo hia oba no. Or be finding ways and means to make you happy. A money be very, wicked and cruel. Why should I not be able to do him? Because opewuntino or the people to the animal no dada. Minima me bia. Wakwa ji obi kunu. Chese or ye the animal papa na. Sabi, minim dear baby or call ya, dear catcher, but all for na say. No, the good edianimuno, Emma papa nidi. And I said, wow, how wicked. And my man, you don't know what you're eating. It is a wonder what you're eating. And now your baby tia. Cherish that woman. Nipani kukima wo no. Or ye baby man, cherish the person. Go to the kitchen, help the person. What I say? Because menka so be perfect. But then if you live alone, now would nim sanya ye nua mumpo. Ana ye fro yempo na ko frɛ na me ko frɛ akosua mana aboa me mama ye mama maami bi sika se wonye aduane mame e bi e kina o de bebrem wo fie ni ade. You don't know the ingredients that go into the food. You don't know how they prepare their food. You don't know how neat or tidy they are in their homes. And me mamu dia know say mum fashion you eat everything. You eat everything that you see. But enye bibia na wo se mudi. What I say? Into learn how to cook yourself. Send a beya we ni mono unkopo baby chow so wonye aduane ma. Now what baffles me is be ma so ne yiritia ne yiko di dwa. Osi oh, it's expensive. Hey, sikani nya na asa no. Ade market dey na ekoso ho. Hey, ni boedin o yis kana na wo su. But money ne yirinja is sia. No nya single not a baby. Non poor baby e ma ne nya aduane ma na. He doesn't mind how much he will give to that lady to cook for him. Because obiso bani say, sister, ye jollof mama ye nkwan mama ye friend mama ahine be cost. So sister about 200 pounds. All this kind of man no akoye. But me ke maybe sister no. Ye beka say we chobo. What I say be 200 pounds is too much. But then because you need her help, no, that's what's going to happen. You can't save money. It's always no see thing, and people will be cooking for you, which is to me, it's very bad. Lockdown, you buy coronavirus by a call lockdown. Remember, Bebre, we're suffering. Most of Abrokyirefuo or Ghanafuo member, wherever you are, I know some of them were suffering because lockdown, no, we were not supposed to go anywhere, especially the single men out there, no. Nobody was cooking for you. I don't know how you survive it. I don't know what you did, but I don't know how you spent your time during the lockdown, no, because I know that some of you were struggling in your houses because you don't know how to cook. Obi oho, nkosua onimuchi. Onim nkosua krache. What I say? Until this is the time now. Monsian send ye enu aduane. Be ma onu yiriti. Na se oya kwa adwuma no maya. You don't wait for the woman to come before you eat. Ebia na oya ye aduane wo ho. Just serve yourself and eat. But ene mema bebrabe, they will wait for their wives to, serve them. I'm not saying it's bad. It's very nice to do that. But then, no, learn things by yourself. Sinebe adachi bino. We knew why. And now, baby, you can do things by yourself. Emukra will be nim emunia. What I say? Yegene sing. Brian Menika say. I try to, communicate with him. Wanukra wo nemushi yo. Wo nemushi. And I'm asking myself, are you serious? You don't know how to do anything? In fact, I don't know what to do, so help me. I'm not going to help you, but all that I will say is go on YouTube and learn how to cook. What I say, be confident. Be very, very confident. Okay, so Mami Abna O'Connor, I think it's not only to cook for him, but he wants more and couldn't tell you. Oh, okay, me, I heard you. I heard you mention if he wants more or what. I heard you mention but only the other by say he wants someone to cook for him. What I say, remember be braminim, many omudi nkomo. They don't know how to cook. What I say, obini ne yire enya ntokwa. Wamon kasa wofi. Ne yire decide say she's not going to cook for him anymore. Okay? Because of what the man has done. Now, the man doesn't know how to cook. What will he do? Your poor Juma, I saw a fast food. No, deba, no di. What I say, I saw a fast food, no deba, no di. And I say, a friend in your baby and in your baby, no one near the anyamano, no odiaba. You see, men, bebreno, omo, enam for mano, omo ye dianumomo, na egu food flags ni ekura na ebi mu de nam krom ebi mu de tebasim na ye de ba say ya. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad for somebody or your sister or any woman to cook for you, but why can't you learn things for yourself and save money for yourself? The money you spend outside, no, you can save it. Cook for yourself. Go to the market. Do something for yourself. And know what is going inside you. And me that be ameka so bema oni meduane ye die. Emma wa warrior cry so. Women ye pe emma omunu aduane. It's so sexy, It's so sexy. Woni wo kunu wo fie na ebia Saturday bi mu fie na munya amada be me be sori be ko kitchen. Ebia wa chinkosua de brodo krato so. O se oba me hu se wa brain me twa tea bi ne nkosua ni ade. No. Ene Indomie, men I don't know I don't know what they know about marriage. I don't know. You can't be a reciprocal or ya na be brain tiase because odome I'm so mad. But akoye one way oba we na say we na also ye we ni alestia ma we eduane nya ready na be mabuofu ade na eduane nya ready na wo ye den meanwhile no unim de oba no so bia na wa bre when they be brave wa bread. Would you say, oh, what brown? Okay, and okay. Oh, dear, yena yanko ni yenye we ten didi, then we enjoy. No, some men don't know how to do that. But some men are very good. Bema o chibenku pa na Betty. What do chibenku to me say? Yes, bemenie o chibenku e chini meko edinis ene ne macro crash show vim. Yeah, what me say? Yes. Bema we do a bema ye benku expert. What I say? And so ebinim ho dia. One yampo no wa bedi. What I say, onye ma oba no kra bedi. Is there bia one way oba na baby bia. One says say oba bia ni unchen. And you are suffering. Obi wo ho be me bo Osman marketer. Because we are no gentle into Osman market and just say Odi adiswe bia aso no. Say oh so gentle say one person obe come market no kra ma. Ye hu say asumesi o come market okoto jirene okoto ko obi okoto nyama. But you eat it. Until person oba na enkonkoye. So oba ni unchen ya. Who will go to the market and buy stuff for you? Mami Abuna say that again, dear. A little pampering from them as we do to them. That's what women want from their partners. Of course. Men no more per se a pamper, but you don't want to pamper us, which is bad. Then our no any jebem. Any jembem. Share this video. Manin kobe me bia ho. Menim emema ni bo ho de omo yadi. Share. Emema ebi mu yadi o. Omo ye duane omo katin kwan kra no. Wudi a echin oba de. It is so yummy and so it is so good. But ebi mu kra omo nim the process whereby ube start to kra ube yen katin kwan. They don't even know. So I am saying to all Mmarima muwo Abrokyirefuo titiri Abrokyirefuo mema mama ye say amuni king the king of the jungle. They won't cook, they won't do anything. They're waiting for the woman to cook for them. Me hu sabi nkokrafo bebre amuni nenam abrochi ha bebre ni maduane ye nti omu hu market omu say sister child umbe you mbon kwan ma me umbe mini time I won't bon kwan for you because minim obra wa but minim washase. Okay, so you have to do things for yourself. This is what I'm saying. So all that I'm saying to all men out there, Abrokyirefuo member, Ghanafuo member, munsua sene ye aduane. Okay? Say if you're fortunate, say you are still living with your wife in the house now. This is the time. Sorry. We you cook kitchen, I mean, can't say do it every day. Oh, well, less time, kwani ho ne de na wo ye. Oh, wan cha ben kwan no sa wodi ayi momoni tu ma ye de. Sa wodi so she process no. Into one day we knew what I was saying, me na meye. What I say? No, how we do it. So you knew what? What to me ye be ma woma. Now so would be we enjoy be. But someone knew you knew what. Not to say about you don't know what to do. Okay? And I make say health-wise na yeah mau because you know what is going inside you. You know what ingredients are used in preparing the food you eat. Inti uko restaurant to hona say uko di bibi now we allergic now bad. Now nam GP, now nam hospital. Makodi aduan bi enye, makodi aduan bi because it's you because you some of you men are lazy. You don't want to do anything. You don't want to do anything. Inti so bani ni unchen obon say na bibi abare wo say na enkoye na wutwa ho entwa hu de obeye. Don't wait for a woman to be cooking for you all the time. Do yours as well. Be confident in yourself. Get to the kitchen. Be sexy, kakra. Do something. We a single man now to no baby any munchanya. Bra. Unya timer. Call YouTube. Na ko check it. Go to the market. Uko market krana sa uko di jakro baby kra hu wa wasi. Oh yes. Be ma we or you good pal or be ni meduane. Sanete be won tene na unfa onsan share with them film. Now unhwe football. Now to now we football. Now we TV. Now chat with phone. Now you say and no comedo. We are no akọ fast food no akoto. Chinese. Chips. McDonald's. KFC. Edi enu nkwa na woody. Junk food na woody. It's not healthy at all. Spend time and learn how to cook. Me de bia me boso. Enti time na ye de ye Facebook, Instagram na mano who scroll baby oba we there we nice so wow bottom power wow or wonu for or what or we say you chatting a woman unya time out the chatting a woman no use that time to cook and ebeboa wan kasa oni peduane ebeboa I can't remember me me papa more time no so me hwe me papa wo bon kwan wo bo me ma me tu kwan a se wo kọ eye wo baabi no mba me papa no akọ market Kaneshi market e wo Ghana no kodi dwa no ba waka kire me ne me nuanom se mon konkoda na meye aduane no ne ya da me ne me nuanom ya da wo dem na Mmarima wa ya ben kwan ekwapem for your friend no mekwan oye mekwan no wa wo fufuo no na owia ofre ya the way obe serve ye no enye de edi two plate mu na edi two plate ye di no waduro na ye de awo fufuo na wie no me papa nka se wo twitwi waduro ni mu o na odi fufuo na to ayowa mu no wasan de esi waduro nim na nkwan na waye wo pot ni mu no ene nam bebre name them assorted meat assorted animals na gu nkwan ni mu no odi esi waduro ni nchen na odi atreni tu nkwan ni mu a na me ni me nuanom yete ho na ma me de okọ eyi o oni ho na yete table no hu sei na papa san kwan na odi gu fufuo no so a o make sure say wanim ho bebi a wo bia no enkwan wo ho oyi nam no to so na yedi ni nyina no wo hwe oh okonori wanim ho ase nkwan na asa nam na asa na odi bia gu so ama yedi ye be wi nam ni nyina di anum nkwan na di fufuo na ma ya chese ya me ye wia ya nkasa ne be kasa da eye ma ya nkasa ye wo huru ne manim ne ya huru ne manim na me papa so eden akọje na home na me ma me fie yie ba obeba na ye gya no nkwan ni bi kakra bi eni fufuo o se ya mo no o papa de me ni ho a o to me ye adoye mamo se ma wi na ne nyina you don't know tomorrow me papa say yes there is no tomorrow it's like there's no tomorrow wo be se na kwese de bi kra ya da ya tumi ada ya da hwa ya beti se tompa wana wo fufui me papa ne me maame die na efe sei eto me papa di awoka na me maame wo eto de bi so me maame di awoka sorry me maame ka na me papa wo na be papa yi ni shirt because we say Ghana na ehwu wo no yi ni shirt na ka no ni shorts no mo wo keke no mo wo fufuo no na ya da o ya da because omo pese time omo be wie no na che say omo be wie ntam na yesu edidi nti bin ya okunu ni oyire omo wie ye omo ankasa twitwi nkuku me na me ka kiro and my siblings will testify to this. So I love my parents so much. I always admire how they do their stuff. Ebe na duane nu a me nka say marriage bia tokwa animo but ebe na duane nu a wamo ye niema so that ye na ye nkola no we will see so that when we grow up we will learn from them. Inti Sunday no ma wo fufuo ni bibia nkwan na wie no afa na me mama benyane me na wanyane me nuane me na am ko ro mu ko twumo se ye njare kura o na fufuo ni da so ni ye di fufuo no papa na ono a so oboa ye de ono so di no wa men. This is what we do. This is what we do. But ene indomie aware me de meka say indomie aware Shia, sesana, tete no, me papa mo, I'm the boss of the house, the boss of the house. Okay, then ye be sure free mo. But an indomie aware. Obia say I'm the boss of the house, I'm this. I don't want to say much, but remember ni bo homa yo mutiko no. Excuse me. I'm not insulting anybody. But I want to say, you know, we need to reason up. People, men out there, we love you so much. We wish you can help us in the kitchen, cook together. And then Yawariano is surrounded by our children. They are not learning anything from us. They almost share free one and tokwa. Okay, so Mary, see, my dad will cook for my mom after how many of my exactly. What I say. Nana Santi say, hey, and my father can't cook rice. My mom has and but you'll be an India, don't do any comparison. What I say, yes, enjoyment be what? So what I say, a memory be a very good. A be a whole chow diania, ube saluti. Better be more lazy, too lazy. I'm on you who? Yeah, yes, empty boss. Yeah, Wealthy Jeremiah. Oh, yes. I don't know, Wealthy Jeremiah. I don't know what you can cook. I haven't tasted your food before. I don't know what. Yentipa. Okay. I say mutiepa. So what I say. Jollof, Mia. Anything. Y'all call and say, I love you. Son, yeah, I love you. I love you too. What I say. Jollof, Mia. Anything. You just do the stew, the base, or the munegum. Asa. Emonria. And take a yibia. And then technology adaroma, near daroma. Rice cooker day. Rice cooker is everywhere. But obey me be wa. The real kwa jumomba ye. Wa chem or banaba. No sambe near mo. I'm a neddy. And require for ye name quanin your mercy. And you are hungry. What kind of love is this? But a member ni buwa de biano. I will praise you. Be mo you good. Me say. Ube shebe ma o chibenku a ube bonsem she ube bonsem o chibenku pot mi sa beti e di chibenku e me ma hi na ebe ja kiche chibenku e bi mu ye lazy. Wealthy Jeremiah said last week I told you I was in the kitchen. Oh yes, I remember you said you were in the kitchen. Bless you. Yes, you said that. I forgot, forgive me. What I say? It's munko YouTube, remember munko YouTube. Easy. Eduani a ya wo pe wo restaurant na wo kotono ni ye nya din o ni ye nya din kitikiti bi kra ni ye nya din. It's so easy when you go on YouTube and you watch the video like you are watching any movie bi a wo sha, you will learn. Na munjai say moti wa na mo sha yi sexy film porno and na den ewu hia o. So to me show pono, now to me share baby free moi. You can still watch how to cook and learn something from it. Me and remember machi, and I will empower you too. Because I want all men to be high, to have confidence in the kitchen. Be a man with confidence in the kitchen. Mema a man be the embluff so because uni mediani yes until a man will match them. A man will harmonium kunkwa. They don't want to cook. O me cha me nua aduane ma no me nua aduane ma no ye be hwe baby obekwa konya aduane free and then na oto no ayebom na onenam ho na me nkofre no no wa free sister esi me yiri me ne nya problem o nti onye aduane ma me mpa cha onye free ma me ana ofi adwuma e ba no wa fa sister adwoa ho sa adwoa na nse me yiri one me nya fa nti onye aduane ma me nti no ma me be didi wo ho na sister na wa free no wa akire no wono no onim de ekoso wono onim so abeka say wono yirenya problem nti onye oyirenya aduane ma no ebia wonim say wona ukoso yo so yi na ekoso onim na ono no obi wo kro pe odeda nti uka so nye aduane ma ope. That is hallelujah for her. No wa konifie no wa twavufuo no wa twa banku no wa twa niama na wudi no de niama gum eniama wo mpese uhu no de gum eniama wuchi kra de gum ma okra be me bo ono na iretia obeka say o me de mi chie yi mi mpe momone mi bia mi ndi momone but senere anya aduane ma no kosta adwoa ho isa adwoa de momone be gu aduane nu and obedi all right. I don't know why some men do that. Say enchen hu say yedan nkani beka say inle enchen hu kwa na mi mpewe na mi di we ya me say but mo ba foforo enu aduane ma no obedi the same thing no si wondi no oba foforo nu ama na you go eat them. I don't remember mo yesa. So what I say, and see what I'm saying is, please remember. Mama ma dream brave fie kakra. What I say, ma dream brave fie kakra. Ebia na unyi no. You didn't learn how to cook. Maybe you didn't get the chance to go in the kitchen and cook. But you say, dear, everybody can do anything. One said to no I say, a ma dear, ye to me maybe better ne. A ma say, what a man can do, a woman can do better. It's a me say, what a woman can do, a man can do what? Better. Mary said, some of the men pretend they are not eating when they are angry. But you later find out that all the gari is finished in their house. Oh my God. Hey. Okay, and then Nanaya Ostega, see, you pretty rough watching from United States. Thank you, Nanaya Ostega. And then Nana Asante says, Brad Jeremiah, any evidence? Well done, say. Well to Jeremiah. O fine ni o ya hoe. Melen chen tasty ko e wan liake say nchinim mekonim tomatoes etwem. We don't know. E wa fine ke ona be ni no fi o ke fi ke ba Facebook chani picture. Fa Facebook na me hu say unimu yampa because I didn't taste it. I don't know whether it was nice or not. Kobe love. Yeah, I'm a man and I agree with you 100% regarding the issue of cooking. To be honest, some guys and men are zero. Oh, zero pa. Say zero no cry negative way. Can make us a negative zero. A bit more born too much. But I'm not going to condemn them. Maybe I know your from so. But what I'm saying is say a man mo mama pride and bra from. Mo ego. Mo name in bra from. At the end of the day, no. Enko si baby ya o. Enko si baby ya. Into wone obati fie. Mo betimi akontokwa. Whatever it is, there is no marriage without entokwa. But aduane die, men ka se obuafu ntino. Eto le bi oba na aduane man cross mi ndi no ye nkyira ho. E na mi ndi waduane so kwa abonto akoto chicken and chips. No akoto junk food. I mean, when now you know, you are doing your own self. Inti mumbra from kakra mema no. Mumbra from kakra. Na mumwa ye won kitchen. Mumwa ye won kitchen. And every day, I'm not saying every day. Once in a while. No one near baby. One day we bet me relax it. Oko chan and cat and quine. Ah, then they say, and then me chan cat and quine. Me endi. Na ya get their shrimpo. Say bia me kuno na wayan cat and quine na enko ye. Oh, met me astra when you say bia me so say unimu yo. Na de yi de. Oh, chinayana fa oh ye dachi bia we bioma fa tomatoes kakra gum ana fa ayi jene kakra tum na enye fine. And then I'm teaching you. That's what we do. Practice makes man perfect. Oh yeah, nana went to me anya. You try it again and again. Eduanino, food is food oh. Ye didi. We eat to live. Okay? We eat to live. Si di ebeko wo yemo no. Enu ne boa woni peduanim no. E wudi bibia basa. Enu de. Whose fault? Whose fault? Intimisramo. Emema no. Learn to cook oh. Learn to cook. Be confident in the kitchen. A lot of women likes men na omu cooking wa kitchen. And yes na obema no Emma will look sexy. You understand what I'm saying? It makes you feel sexy. Mama you how to cook. Emma. What a woman can do, a man can do better in cooking. A man ibu home in meduane nua. Ebi mu ni meduane nua. And Emma bebre no kra ebi mu kra ko YouTube. Eko she aduane nua. Me na mka cho. Let me surprise you. A very surprise will say you can call a woman you know, a friend you know, say, oh, ebi achale me kwando tools afi pa wonye bi mame. Onimu yo, oba no nimu yo, obeka say oh bra me yama. No aka ingredients na saying, oh for £100 bra. Now dem call dia komano. Ebi onimu yo, but uka yepe, obeko YouTube. No wakoshe how to make YouTube. How to make tools afi. No show we are. No wakotoni amano. Oh ye dani nyano. Na wo hwe YouTube no de. Yobo wanu wa ye wi on de abo no wadi. So if she can do that, oba po onimu yo. O ma o ma meka wi ma enye dani bia nanimu ye. Dani bi wo ho a enye ye part kra ye nimu ye. But ye ko YouTuber. Ye hu ni ma bebre. Ye tumi ye ni ma bebre. What I say, ma bebre took him from Ghana to come to the diaspora. Abrokyirefuo. Enye bibia ne yanim. But ye ba Abrokyirefuo no ye be hye ma bebre because of YouTube ada romantic. Ye hye ma bebre and we know stuff. So if we can do it, you can do it too. Okay? So I won't talk much, but what I'm saying is as a man, enjoy the cooking. Mami Abna say I'm enjoying my cooking alone. Tell him to join me. Why? Okay, meka cheno wabeba. What I will say is as a man, learn how to cook. Be confident in yourself. Be confident in the kitchen. Do something. Be sexy in the kitchen. Do something for your wife. Do something for your children. Even if you're a single man. You know, babe, if you won't be ano, you would be any. Once in a while, no correction or to be ready and save some money. What I said, save some money and you enjoy your cooking. Who to me, you no crana, you no must start. Once a wonder of why you can even invite your friends to come home and taste how you cook. What Ben Quambiana, or better inviting maybe and more be tasty or Diana Woody. Mammy already say women love eating men food. Men know how to cook. Men, we love your cooking. Of course, we love men cooking. Miss Remo, be confident in yourself. Men, today I'm empowering every man. Rise up, go to the kitchen, cook. Surprises, Valentine's Day, never. Surprise your wife, surprise your girlfriend, surprise everyone with emo jollof and katen kwai, abekati konto, and kruman kwai, name it, all the food. Yeah, baby. Surprise us this Valentine's Day. Surprise someone. And please, I'm texting me say, "Okonor me here, Obama na eduane no." Stop doing that, because I'm not going to give you any woman to cook for you. Go on YouTube and learn how to cook. Surprise us this Valentine's Day. Surprise us during this corona. Yet if you lockdown, nipa ba kwa na eduane. Surprise everyone, okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bless you all, men. I know you've listened to my advice. Share this video to every man, and I hope they will listen to my advice and take something from it. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.